Guys, how are we? We are doing another simple video tonight. We are doing my easy fish and chips. It's absolutely brilliant. So, what we have once again is some fantastic, this is cod fillets from Donegal Prime Fish over in Skeg Industrial Estate. Really amazing, call in and see them. And then what we're going to do is we're going to make a simple batter. I've got Oliver and Emily with me today. So, what we have, you waving? So, what we have, guys, self-raising flour for me makes the batter really light. And then to this we're going to add, this is from Northbound Brewery. This is a own beer that they make for the Browns group. So this is our Browns Boy. It's really lovely. So the recipe asks for beer. If you don't have beer, you could use sparkling water. You could use even anything sparkling, which is quite good. But I'm using some beer. Yes, Emily?
What are you going to put in these two?
I'm going to show you here in a minute. I'm going to show you. You like that plate, don't you? So in here now we've got the self-raising flour. Then we add the beer to the flour, like so. We just give it a whisk. That's all we do. And then, hopefully we won't use all the beer, Oliver, because I get a wee taste. So we just give it a whisk. So guys, when you get the consistency of kind of like thick double cream, a little bit more in there, there's a few lumps. Don't worry about the lumps. The lumps are absolutely great.
Daddy?
Yes, Emily?
Why do you put beer in it?
Because I like the flavour of beer, Emily. But if you didn't like beer, as I said, you could use like sparkling
Well,
water.
we know we're our kids, so we can.
Yeah, that's a good question. But because we cook the beer out, there's no actual alcohol in it. So that's a very good question. This is our beer batter. That's a good question, Emily. But look, if you didn't have beer, guys, you could use sparkling water. Even normal cold water is absolutely grand. That's our batter. And then, guys, if you want, you can add a little bit of curry powder, a little bit of paprika, but for me, I just kind of keep it plain. Oh, and this is the batter as well that we use for onion rings and stuff like that. Right, so we're going to cook our fish, like so. Oliver, you give your sister a hand with that chair.
Yes, it's got it.
So guys, what we do is I am using cod. You could use haddock, you could use pollock, you could use plaice if you wanted. So Emily, all we do here now is, and guys, I'm using self-raising flour. Gluten-free flour is absolutely fine. You would use that as well. All we do now, Emily, is I have seasoned the fish with salt and pepper. Okay, and what I do is I top it into the flour. Because you asked me what this is for. If you put it straight into this without the flour.
It's not going to have room for that.
No, I'm going to toss it all here now though. Well, Emily, what happens if I put the fish straight into there, we will lose a lot of batter. Okay, so that is our lovely fillet.
Well, that's not too much.
Well, I'm going to do one a portion, but you're eating a lot of fish at the moment. You love it, so you usually eat a full portion. We dip this into the batter. Oh, this is a good batter, Oliver. Look at this. Now, what I do is make sure it's well coated, and then we want a nice batter, Oliver. We don't want it too thick, but we don't want it too thin. So we just kind of wait until it kind of like so, and then we put it straight in their little fryer. Okay, and I just kind of hold it roughly for a wee second, just before I let it go, so it doesn't stick to the bottom. Oh, Emma, you will love this. So that is it in. Lovely. But don't you go too near that, because that's oil. You never go near oil. Give my hands a little wash. And guys,
yellow.
because that's just the batter cooking, Emily. And guys, look, what you could do is as well, the batter can keep for a couple of days in the fridge. Oh, this batter is gone. So it's Oliver, we want it light, but we want it crispy. Right, what we're going to do now is we are going to serve this with, this is some peas. So mushy fat, you can use mushy fat peas. We're just using frozen peas, which I have tossed in a little bit of butter. And Oliver, we haven't got enough mint in the garden, so I am going to add, I know you don't like it a lot, I'm going to add a little bit of mint sauce. Okay, just a little bit. Oliver doesn't, Oliver's not a fan. And then I'm going to add a couple, this is optional, but I love it, a couple of tablespoons of red wine vinegar to my peas. Like so. Back on the heat. And then what I'm going to do now is I'm going to check this fish. Oh, look at this. Give it a little turn. Oh, Oliver, this batter. Oh. Amazing. Where do I put my salt? What are you doing?
Can you give me a cup?
What kind of cup? Blue?
Yeah.
And And then guys, what I'm going to do now is, so tartar sauce, I'm just going to make a simple lemon mayonnaise. So what I have here is, this is just standard mayonnaise that I have, like shop up. And then make it yourself if you want. It's basically just egg yolks, a little bit of mustard, a little bit of vinegar, and then you add oil, but I just use a little bit of that. Just chop up a little bit of lemon zest in here. Then I'm going to add half a lemon. And then basically then, because I have it there, oh, that's great. Oliver, give that a little mix for me. I'm going to chop it. I'm going to add some parsley. You could add a little bit of basil. I'm just going to add some parsley to it, which is lovely. And then if we had it, you could add, thank you buddy, we could add chopped capers, chopped gherkins, and then obviously because the kids are here tonight, but some chilli in there, like a lovely chilli mayonnaise, absolutely gorgeous. Right, to give us a mix, Emily, or I want you now to basically put the lemon mayonnaise into that for me. Just a nice little, just a nice spoonful. Oh, look at this lovely batter. I'm just doing like a nice spoonful. Our lovely batters here. And guys, you could do this as well with like, you could do like strips of monkfish, you could do coal or collates, anything like that.
Oh, did you make this?
I made that. You just seen it there now. Lemon zest, lemon juice. So put a good bit in there, Emily. So a nice bit of this in here. We've got our lovely fish, which is just cooked. Oh, look at that, Oliver Lord. And then we'll let it drain. I'm going to hit it with a little bit of salt. That's exactly what we want, Emily Orr. Nice bit of that. Then we're going to get
Does
a...
it look like a
What's it look like?
chicken wing?
That's a big chicken wing, Emily Orr. That is certainly not a chicken wing.
I don't want to eat that bird.
And then we've got our lovely peas. Lovely.
Oh, and I love peas.
You're eating, you wait till I finish this, Missy. You're loving your veg at the moment. And then what we have here is our lovely bit of fish.
Sorry.
And again, it's so light and crispy, listen. Oh, here?
Yeah. And I can't hold it.
No, it'll be too hot for you to hold. So guys, that is my simple beer battered cod with mushy peas and a little bit of lemon mayonnaise. I hope you enjoyed it. What do you think, Emily?
Nice.
Didn't that say chips?
Nice.
Okay.
Tea.
And there's